guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dave Rick. So previously we did a video on how to I did a video on how to create a paper account for you to receive payments and send to your local bank account from your virtual bank account to your local bank account, whereby you link your virtual bank account to your paper account. So you can see that this is my Italy paper. If you go back to the videos I made earlier, so you can see the video on my screen here. So I made this video some days ago, so whereby you can be able to create a paper, European, let me say, yeah, an European paper account, European country paper account, either Italy, either Greece, or other European country paper accounts. So I created Italy paper account because I don't have the proxy for Greece that day, so I had to switch to Italy. So I created the Italy account, and my account is was live, and I linked my bank account to the account that day. So you can see these accounts. You can see that I linked my bank account already. So if I go over to my make payments and receive payments, if I go over to my morning page, you can see that I've linked my bank account successfully, my virtual bank account. So on the video I made, you will be able to see how to link your virtual bank account, how to get a virtual bank account and link your virtual bank accounts to the account. So I make a test payment on this. I withdrew money from my Fiverr account onto this paper account and sent it over to my virtual bank account. You can see that I linked my bank already. Yeah. So and from my bank account, I received my payments to my virtual bank account, in which I'm going to show you. So now for you to believe that I did this successfully, so on my Fiverr account I withdraw a total sum of like 22 euro. So I will do 22 euro for my Fiverr account. You can see, let me refresh this. So from my Fiverr account I will do like 22 euro. You can see you can see that I initiate this withdrawal on 17th of February. So I initiate the withdrawal. So and on my paper account I received the payments recently. So the same day I withdraw the money, I received the payments immediately as well. So if I go over to my main page, you can see that from Fiverr I received this payment on my paper account, and immediately I received the payment from on my paper account. You can see that this is my first withdrawal on the account. So if I translate this to English now, then you can be able to see that the payment was from Fiverr. So now you can see that the payment is from Fiverr. I withdrew 22.08 euro, so from my Fiverr account, and I withdrew the money. You can see that by 16:48 the money dropped on my paper account, and by 16:49 I withdraw the money straight to my bank account. You can see the transaction receipts. So here is the transaction receipt. You can see that the withdrawal was initiated and sent to my bank account, and as of the moment paper has credited my virtual bank account the sum of 22 euro, as I did withdraw from my paper account. So I'll allow it to load while I show you the receipt. So I'm trying to load it up so that you can be able to view the receipt of the payment. You can see that, yeah, let me translate to English. So immediately I translate to English, okay, yeah, so that you can be able to see what I'm saying easily. So now you can see that I sent the payment February 16th. So you can see that the net amount I withdrew 22 euro straight. So for my paper balance, and I sent it over to my bank account, ending with, you can see that I sent it over to my bank account. So you can see I sent it to Clear Junction, so which is the bank, virtual bank I added it. So you can see that the bank account ended with 6096. So now over to my virtual bank account. So this is my virtual bank account. So now on my virtual bank account, so I received the payments already. So let me just enter my password. So on my virtual bank account, you can see that this is the United States balance. So now we'll go back to my euro balance. You can see that the payment has been received. So this is 22 euro from PayPal. You can see that this payment was from PayPal. So you can see the the transaction receipts and the narration as well. So you can see that the payment is from Fiverr and it drops on 17. So I withdrew the money on 16. It drops on my in my bank account on 17. So this is how I withdrew my fund from PayPal to my virtual bank account. So and if you're in Nigeria, you can see that easily you can send your money from. I can convert this money to my local currency on my virtual bank account. So this is it, 22 euro, and then I can convert this no 20. So I can convert it to USD, or probably if I want to convert it to my local currency, so I can convert it, and then once I convert it to my local currency, then I'll be able to send it to my normal bank account as in my own local currency. So you can see that this is my, if I convert it now, it will appear in my Nigeria bank app, and from there I'll be able to send it over to my normal local bank accounts, and then I'll be able to receive my payments from Fiverr to PayPal, from PayPal to my virtual bank account, and from virtual bank accounts to my local bank account. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and also go over to the previous video on how I created the account, and you can be able to see how I created the Fiverr my Fiverr account. No, I mean paper. I created the paper account from beginning to the end. Also, if you want to know how I created an approved Fiverr account, you can check over my videos and see how I created an approved Fiverr account. So, also, I'm gonna make videos on how to withdraw from your Fiverr account later on. And if you really need me to do a video on how to withdraw from Fiverr account, you can just drop it in the comment section as well. And I will do a video on how to withdraw from your Fiverr account. Thank you for watching. Bye.